most accurate local forecast starts now with meteorologist Brett Thackeray.
Well, another Wednesday that we could be dealing with some active weather. We're going to get into that, everybody. But first, this morning looks good. We've got a few clouds trying to inch their way in here from the front that will cross through later. Right now, though, enough dry air in place. It's chewing away at some of these clouds this morning, and we're okay with that. 70 degrees in Harrisburg, 59 in Lebanon, but that's the outlier. You'll notice York and Lancaster near 70, 64 in Chambersburg, 68 in Hagerstown. A lot of us are in the mid to upper 60s this morning, and that is warmer than yesterday by 5 to 10 to close to 15 degrees. Look at York, 13 degrees warmer than 24 hours ago. So we mentioned that at the top of the show, and I mentioned it yesterday too, that I thought last night would be a bit on the warmer side. The good news is it's not really that muggy. Dew points are still in the 50s, and we still have dry air in place. As we take a look at E-Town here, the moon in the sky like a big pizza pie, and we're looking good here this morning. 68 degrees in E-Town, a dew point of 61, so again, very comfortable. And we love a morning like this where, yeah, it can be a little mild as long as it's not stuffy. And it's not stuffy. Where's the front, you ask? Well, it's right here, pushing through Buffalo, New York. It came through the Great Lakes last night. It has a history of severe weather watches and warnings. And so that's why we're a bit concerned now as we push into the second half of the day as this interacts with some warm weather. 86 in Harrisburg today, 84 in Boston, Ocean City in the 80s. Compare that to 70s to the west and a bit cooler. That's the weather that we're going to have for us after today. So a bit of a warm up today. Thunder is likely here this evening, likely after 5 p.m. as this front tracks through. And then behind that, cooler and less humid air as we move into Thursday. Friday looks great. Friday really looks like the best day of the week. Saturday looking good as well. But because of this front, there is a severe weather risk today. A lot of our counties are included in this. Parts of Cumberland, Adams, York, Lancaster, Dauphin, Lebanon counties. Damaging winds possible with these storms tonight. Downpours and even, yes, a brief tornado. In fact, the ingredients look fairly decent for tornadoes, especially in this tan area, this slight risk area from Scranton down into Harrisburg. York and Lancaster counties could especially be vulnerable to that spin in the atmosphere. That's one of the ingredients we look for. When? Well, after 5 p.m., these storms are going to develop a line here that will move through the region through late this evening, likely after sundown. This is why we think York and Lancaster counties are especially vulnerable. Look at precision cast depicting some storms blowing up there. Again, downpours possible. Another round could come through overnight. And then finally, by tomorrow morning, we say goodbye to that. The clouds will linger, though. It's going to be a slow process to clear things out. Now, in terms of rainfall, not everybody's going to see a lot of rain, but there are going to be pockets, and Precision Cast hints at this, where an inch or two of rain could fall as these storms train over the same area. If that happens, flash flooding is likely. A flash flood watch posted, not locally, but for Berks County, over to the Lehigh Valley, toward Philly, slow-moving storms. Remember, they got hit with more rain than we did, believe it or not, last week. Heavy rain on top of Ida's rains. And, yeah, you could be talking about flash flooding. But even locally, even though we're not under a watch yet, I would keep my guard up for that late this evening. So these storms are going to roll through here. 86 degrees tonight, 65. Downpours and storms will likely continue overnight. And then tomorrow does look better, but some clouds will linger, even a pop-up shower in the afternoon. But 78, that's going to feel nice. Overnight lows in the 50s here through Saturday. Saturday morning is going to be great. Remember, Saturday Penn State kicks off their first home game, their home opener against Ball State. It's going to be a great day to tailgate. It looks nice, but tonight could be rough again, so we have to keep our guard up.
But after that,
it looks good, and we even get a warm-up next week.
He saw that.
He did.
He already saw that. He was very excited about
yes.
that.
Summer's not dead yet.
A last stand, perhaps?
I
Let's hope.
love it.
Yeah. All right.
Very nice.